gonna get me a $20 off BAUER. Okay, rapid charger and no regular batteries. They just have the 5 amp. This is it. This is on an instant savings. No problem. No problem. Hi. Hopefully, I think this is a $20 off.
It is.
All right.
$127.71.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, just like that, $20 off. It's already instant savings. Instant savings plus $20, $35 tool. Hello everybody, welcome back. Another BAUER, the BAUER. Anyways, I got another one here for you. Yes, I got it $20 off. All I had to do was buy the charger, battery. But if you notice, I don't have a charger or battery because I returned them. I don't need another charger and battery. I think the charger and battery itself is overrated because if you look at the drill and the impact drill, they're like 50 bucks, and that includes the charger and battery. If you buy a charger and battery itself individually, it's $50. So they're jacking the prices on the charger and battery. That's why they got the deal, but I returned the charger and battery. Anyway, this is the 20 volt cordless variable speed reciprocating saw. Now, do I really need one? No, but do I want one? Yes. I do plan on doing some trimming. I think this is good for tree trimming or general demolition work. Do you use this for exact cutting? No. But it is cordless. I used to have one a long time ago, Black & Decker. Sold the whole thing. The set came with a saw and all this other stuff, but sold it. Haven't had one in a while. Saw the deal. It was a instant savings plus the $20 off. Yeah, I got a probably like 50% discount on this item. So anyways, let's start. Let's begin. That's the only way I can get a good deal from Harbor Freight these days is by doing this, because they don't do the coupon anymore. Why would you ruin a good thing, Harbor Freight? I don't understand. Why would you ruin a good thing? If it ain't broke, why fix it? It must have been broke for them. All right, so there we go. Oh, there it is. Open the box. It says here, tool, free blade included. I want to make, so they do include a blade, and it is just the tool only, no battery, but I got plenty of battery. And I'll probably be using it to, again, trim trees and limbs and all that other stuff. All right, so here's the box. I didn't go over the box too much for you, sorry. I'm just gonna do this real quick. I probably will do a demo. That's kind of why I'm in a hurry. I'll do a demo before the sun starts setting. Let's see what you get. A manual with some directions, probably. Good. I'll put that somewhere. We'll put that somewhere in the frame. And here's the tool itself. Oh, all right. Oh. Okay, where's the blade? Where is that blade? I was told that there's a blade in here, and that's in the box. And the blade looks like it's right here. There you go. So you do get a blade. It's branded as BAUER. The BAUER, heavy duty guaranteed. It's not very big a blade. Here's my finger. Here's my finger for comparison. Here's my middle finger for a comparison. My pinky. So Yeah, not a very long blade. Doesn't, I know this plastic right here, but it seems kind of dull too. Anyways, I'll do a demo. I'll definitely do a demo. Okay, so we got the blade. Here's the box. Let's go over some of the information on the box. Looks like it is a pivoting shoe adjustable. That's the shoe. 3 positions, okay. Double oil seated shaft for increased tool life. All right. I don't know if you need to put any oil in there, but quick tool-free blade change. And then die-cast aluminum housing for maximum durability. Heavy-duty motor delivers a powerful 3000 SPM. I don't know what that stands for, but it must be very important. Variable speed with lock on. Variable speed with lock on. Let's see, what else does it say? It has a shock absorbent D handle. Let me see, electric brake for quick moving from one cut to the next. Okay. Powered by BAUER 20 lithium battery, sold separately. All right, so that's the box. Anything else we should know about? Okay, so there you go. Got rid of the box. All right, so now we've got the tool itself here, and then don't forget the blade. So let's take this apart. A little heavy. It is heavy. It is heavy. Ooh, I'm shaking. It is heavy, so you're gonna have to use 2 hands. There's that shoe. How do you open this thing? All right, let's open it. Let's open it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Rubberized handle. There's a button here. This must be part of the quick tool change right here. I'm not sure what this is. This looks like this moves the shoe around. Does it lock? Does it lock the shoe? I'm not sure what it does. Okay. Probably should read the directions. Okay, there is a lock. So lock. That opens it. That locks it. So push down here. Able to pull the trigger. Push it back up. Locks it. Okay. All right. I need the battery. I'll be right back. Oh, I'll be right back. Forgot to get the battery. Probably need to read the directions as well. So let's read the manual before we do anything, all right? All right, I'm back. Yeah, just read the manual, not too difficult. That is a shoe lock. Right, here's the BAUER battery. I do have a 5 amp, but I just have 3 amp here. That's all right. I will also be trying to put the blade in here. I will try to put the blade in. So I'll try to do that. It says to push to move the shoe and then release to lock it, but I don't know, it's not, there we go. Okay, so it's 3 positions. Okay, that's what they mean. That's what they're talking about. So 3 positions, 1, 2, 3, and completely off. I guess you could say 4 positions. That's what this is. That's what that is. Okay. 1, 2, oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. So there's your 3 positions. So the position is how far it comes out, and of course you could take it out completely. You don't want to be, this is kind of weird to have it right here because you got You might squeeze it and accidentally push it. Okay, so that's what that is. There's your lever, and the lever looks like you could see it. Actually, let me remove the shoe. So you push this button to remove that shoe. You can actually see how the locking handle goes. You lift this up and you'll be able to put the blade in. Let's do that right now. This is the blade. Doesn't look that great of a blade. Like everything else in Harbor Freight, cheap, you know. What do you expect, right? Not much from Harbor Freight, but anyways, it's cheap enough for me to buy. Can't complain. So I'm going to pull this lever. You'll see that open. Pull that lever, and I think I just simply put it in. Let go, right? Let go, and that should be locked. Yeah, there it is. We have the blade. I will do a demo. I'll be going outside and demoing this for you. And here's the shoe. Let's put the shoe back in. Remember to push this button right here. There we go. It's in. Voila. There we go. That was pretty easy. I'm a little concerned about where this is because you might, when you grab it, you might push it and move that shoe around, but I guess you want to grab it here. Grab it here. Okay. It was always on lock, no battery. All right, so let's just put it in, all right? I will do a demo, don't worry. You'll see a demo here shortly. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in here. There we go. Let's check the power. I believe it does have power. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is locked. Locked. All right, let's see it in action now. I'm gonna unlock, push. Oh, look at that thing move back and forth. Oh, baby. Oh. Having fun with the BAUER. Oh. All right, let's do the demo, shall we? All right, everyone, I'm back. I'm outside. I got my hardy gloves. I got the BAUER tool. Let's unlock it. We'll unlock it right now. There we go. I got the shoe in as much as I can get it in. And basically I'm going to be cutting up something like this, all right, for demonstration purposes, because I don't know this blade is going to be big enough to cut through anything else, so let's give it a try. All right, demonstration time. Let's try to angle it so you can see it pretty good. All right. God, this blade really sucks. But at least they give you a blade. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Started out so well. Jeez. All right, there's your demonstration. There's the blade. Probably not the best blade in the world, and look how small it is. Jeez. there you go. There's your demonstration. All right, please like, share, comment, subscribe, consider joining membership. Until next time, everyone. Bye. Enjoy the BAUER.